God, my legs are dead. Dead, people. Dead. Today was leg day. My hammies, they're tight. Gotta let the bike cool, you know? Oh my God, so far. It leans so far. Alright. So, we're gonna go to a bike meet. And then we are check out some cool cars, have a nice ride there. It's mostly canyons, but I might take a different way back home. And yeah, I want to give a special thanks to all 107 of my subscribers. You guys are absolutely insane. I have no words. 100 people is a lot of people, okay? And that 107 of you guys will want to know what I'm doing, what I'm posting, is just crazy to me. So special thanks to all you guys. I really do appreciate it. You know what I need? I need a phone mount. But like the good, the good, what's it called? I can't remember the name now. What is it? Quad lock. Quad lock is like $150. Like this whole entire past 5 days, I was like thinking, oh my God, I gotta make content for I just was so busy with work and all, I just couldn't. I had no time at all. They switched up my schedule, so I was like working when the sun rises and the sun goes down. That's how long I was working. But obviously I could have just filmed. Maybe it was just me procrastinating, but it's whatever. Oh my God, I need some fuel. We should make it there though. I gotta tuck. Too cold. I gotta put the elbows in, you know? You guys ever on a sport bike and you gotta put the elbows in because your arms are getting cold? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm not even tucked. I'm just cold. I don't like to film with my friends because they make fun of me, man. They're like, why is your helmet still on? I say, for the content. And he's like, what content? We're talking. I'm like, don't beat me up. It's only 700. I think my wheels are not balanced properly, but don't tell my brother, because he did them. I think that's why my wheelies are going straight to the right. Maybe I'll show you this video, who knows. It's right here, bruh. Go in the right lane. Alright. I should have wore a long sleeve underneath these 2 layers. Maybe I just need to suck it up. Quit being a baby. There's people in frickin' there's people in, I don't know, Kansas with 15-degree weather, dry, and they're riding their bikes with frickin' pantyhose. Oh! No Indy. hope I'm making the right turn. Oh. Maybe it's only when I get up there, you know? Or maybe I'm just an idiot. Look at this line. That's butter! Butter! I'll tell you! I can't believe it! It's probably margarine. My shit's riding up! Alright, we're good. I'll slow down. I'll calm down. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Calm down. Cody! I know he's out here somewhere. I can feel it in my nuggets. Is this a op right in front of me? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? No, it's not. What is this? A Hyundai? Hyundai Tuscan, the city in Italia. Oh my god, my legs hurt. I gotta double foot this. I gotta double foot this. Should I wave to these people? Is it our turn? No, it's not. They keep looking away when I'm looking at them. I think she smiled underneath that mask in her car. Is that Naruto? I don't know. I don't watch anime. Please don't hate. Please don't hate. Please don't hate. Please don't hate. I tried. It's just not my cup of tea. You know? I don't know what Siri said for the directions. This is why I need a phone mount, people. Yo, this guy's on my ass cheeks. The thunder thighs are already paying off. I think I'm gonna throw a bike meet for my birthday party. Turning 43, 45. I don't know. I forgot. Dementia is setting in slowly but surely. But yeah, I'm gonna probably throw a bike meet. I'm honestly scared that no one will show up, or I'm scared that like the police are gonna show up and everyone's gonna point to me. He's like, oh, this is me, this is me. I don't think people will do that, dude. Oh yeah, go right ahead, bro. Who needs a seat warmer when you got an engine between your legs? People waiting for the bus at this hour? Hoodlums. Whoa! What is that guy doing? The line's right here, pal. Is this it? I'll follow this guy. Oh, shit! I didn't even look the other way. Into this parking lot? Okay. Yeah, we're super early. This is a new place. They haven't done this over here. Speed bump. Go around it like a G with the one hand. Play it cool, play it cool. Don't be embarrassing. Someone just got hit.
They were racing and he got fucking hit.
Yeah. So I'm dipping.
Oh, well, the person got clipped.
Fuck, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Yo. This is not what I'm about. Someone just got hit, bro. I hope he's okay. I hope he's okay, but I gotta go. I gotta go, bro. I gotta go. Fuck, dude. Just a little shaken up. That's... I never seen that shit before. But I'm gonna dip right now. Alright. Fuck, man. Yeah, bro. For sure. Appreciate you.
Ride safe.
Yeah, you too, bro. What the fuck, bro? Some guy was just standing in the middle of the street and he got hit. Hard. They were racing too. Fucking hard. What the fuck? That is not cool at all. There he goes in that truck. It is not a game, I hear, people. I hope he's okay. It didn't look too bad, but still. He got hit by a fucking car. Like when someone gets hit from a car that's going, I don't know, let's say 40, let's be nice. Let's say 40. If someone gets hit by a car doing 40 miles per hour on his leg, you don't fucking pull it. Just don't be stupid, guys, please. Make it home tonight. I'm pretty sure he's gonna make it home tonight. But still, that's pain he should not have been caused. Alright, let's keep it happy. It's gonna be hard after saying that. Never mind on the messing with people part. It's a nice curvy part, and I like it. I like it a lot. Well, the first meet got rolled up by cops, telling everyone to leave, and if they don't leave, they'll be towed. And then went to the second meet and that shit happens, bro. It is just not my night. I met some cool people though. Guy I was talking to owns all the dream cars, dude. Porsche GT3 RS. He had a Ferrari. He has a C7 Corvette. What else? He has a BMW of some sort. I don't really care for the BMWs though. Don't tell him that. And he rides that sweet R6 that I was parked right next to. I asked him what he does. He says he owns a business and it's worldwide. I didn't want to get too personal and be like, oh, which business? And then he was in the military, or still is in the military. He looked young. He looked young. I gotta pick up my stuff, dude. You guys gotta blow this up. Please, please blow it up. I hate this part with a passion. You don't really need lights over here. No one behind me. I go slow around this part. It's this part right here. Number one, it's a bumpy road. Number two, you're going downhill. I don't like going downhill most of the time. And number three, it's this freaking 180 turn, 180 degree turn. I don't know what you call that in rally. Well, that's the only part that I don't like. Watch this corner. Watch the racing line. Oh, oh, oh! Yamaha, sign me. Give me a contract. Give me a contract, my boy. Give me a 1,000 too. Tired of getting bullied by my friends. It's only a tail cylinder. I can't keep up. It does that and it can't keep up. And they stopped making R6s. I guess, bro, I guess. You guys can stop once I get into the motorcycle game. You guys can stop, it's fine. Don't worry about it. I didn't want one anyways. Except it's my biggest freaking video on my channel! Well, that's all for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed my freaking night out. Hope you enjoyed my night out. Be safe, please. Like and subscribe to the video, please.